Hello, Enta. Where are you going?
Oh, hello, Master. I'm taking my father his lunch. He's a security guard at Treasure Cave.
So, he guards the treasure of Dragonville? That's an important job.
Dad, here's your lunch.
Oh, hello, Enta. Hello, Master. Good. Time for a break. Let me lock the door. Thank you for lunch, son. See you later.
Bye, Dad. Don't work too hard. Oh, look! The key to the treasure cave is in Dad's lunchbox.
Let's take it back to him.
Grr! I'm always losing the stupid key. Ooh.
Chopstick says, like father, like son. Hello, Enta. Have you found a new friend?
This is my pet python, Piers. I've been trying to teach him some tricks all morning. Do you want to see what he can do?
This should be interesting.
Let's try something. Fetch the stick, Piers. Ouch! He's crushed my arm. Catch the ball, Piers. You haven't learned anything. Pythons can't do tricks.
Chopstick says a leopard can't change its spots.
Hey, Enta, do you want to come with us to the mall?
Yes, please. I don't like being on my own.
Take this. Now write your name on the wall.
Cool. This is fun.
Hey, stop that! Vandals!
Oh!
Spraying graffiti is a crime. Wipe it off now, or you'll be in big trouble.
What happened to Enta?
I punished him because he had written all over a public wall.
I'm sorry, Master. Basher asked me to go with his friends, so I went because I was bored.
Chopstick says, better to be alone than in bad company.
Oh no! My computer crashed. Now I can't do my homework. Never mind. Sir, I couldn't do my homework because my computer crashed.
You could have written it by hand. Detention for you. Right, I should have done my homework 100 times.
Oh!
What's wrong with your hand, Enta?
I must have strained it, Master. I had to write 100 lines for detention. It's my computer's fault.
Chopstick says, a poor workman always blames his tools.
My cousin Bronte from the country wants to come for a visit.
So he's coming for a taste of city life. That's good.
Hello, Cousin Enta. Wow! I'm in the big city.
There's lots to show you. Come on, let's go into the centre.
Help! The stairs are moving!
No! Go the other way! I told you to go the other way.
Never mind. Can we have something to eat now? This door's stuck. I can't open it.
No, Bronte. You have to put a coin in it.
Thanks, Enta. But I don't think I like life in the city.
Oh!
Chopstick says, one man's meat is another man's poison.